Welcome guys to the demo video for our synthetic data generation pipeline. It's all automated. This is the basic setup for our pipeline, all run in Bash. We clone the repo and then switch to the specific branch. And within this branch lies our automated pipeline scripts. Everything's set up as you see here. And as this runs, the synthetic mesh that we've created using experimenting with the different physics options, the soft body tissue, hard, fluid tissue, you'll see it on the screen. This is run in Blender, and the frames and vertices are tracked, and these are normalized using the Cabsh algorithm, which removes the whole body motion so that the frames are aligned for the rigid parts, and this allows only the soft breast tissue to be visibly moving. And so when you flip through the frames, everything stays rigid. That's rigid stays in place, and the variation is in the soft tissue. And this is measured then with the Delaney triangulation. So you'll see on the screen, we use two methods looking at frame versus previous frame, the one you just saw, or frame versus initial frame, the one that is currently on the screen. Now after the pipeline is run, we can go here to our outputs folder, and you can see the normalized frames on screen, and you can see that it's only really the breast area that is deforming in any way in this 3D mesh. And then from the normalized frame, we can also get the raw frames are used for the normalized frames. This shows the actual coordinates, numbers that get fed in to everything, and you can look at the different breasts, and now we are seeing the frames that are used in the 20 frame video that we saw earlier. Now it's important to note that although this is the automated aspect of our pipeline, many more things are being worked on, such as more dynamic strain measurement methods, 3 to be precise, and also a better synthetic mesh model, and many more things. Anyway, this concludes the demo for our automated pipeline. Easy to run.